riding out one dark and windy day. Up on a ridge he rested as he went along his way. When all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw plowing through the ragged skies and up a cloudy draw. Their brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. Their horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they...
Chers auditeurs et chères auditrices, bonsoir, merci de rester avec nous sur RVL après avoir écouté Maïté cet après-midi. Et puis, si vous n'êtes pas resté avec nous ou que vous nous rejoignez, merci de nous retrouver sur RVL, sur les 103.1 de la radio d'Épouville. Pour l'émission Country Valley, l'émission spéciale Country Music, eh bien, nous allons démarrer de suite avec monsieur Daryl Singletary. Daryl Singletary, artiste américain né en 1971 en Géorgie, décédé malheureusement l'année dernière au mois de février à Nashville. Eh bien, c'est un artiste qui était excellent. On a eu la chance de le voir en France. On l'a vu à comment ça s'appelle, au Festival d'Évreux. C'est vraiment un artiste qui est excellent, qui était excellent, mais là on peut le dire malheureusement. Donc, qui avait sorti un superbe album avec Rhonda Vincent et en fin de compte, il est décédé, je crois, avant la sortie de l'album. C'était un petit peu dommage, quoi. Il n'a pas profité. Un excellent album qu'on a entre les mains et qu'on se fait vraiment plaisir à vous passer les morceaux. C'est pas l'album de ce soir. On va prendre l'album précédent. Ceci étant, c'est un artiste qui était excellent, qui a marqué sa carrière et marqué ses concitoyens dans le monde de la country music. Il avait sorti 10 albums, c'est du régal. On écoute de suite Daryl Singletary avec Sunday Morning Kind Tone, monsieur Daryl Singletary.
Old man Johnson's come and got a sack of something. Everybody knows he grows the best tomatoes around. In our Sunday morning kind of town. There goes Ronnie on his old Ford tractor, clogging up the road and waving everyone around. In our Sunday morning kind of town, where the church bells ring and time moves slow, it's hard to find a face you don't know. It's covered dish on Wednesday and football on Friday night. Old preacher Bill, he makes his rounds. Folks lift you up when you fall down. I thank the Lord I was born in a Sunday morning kind of town. Had a little fuss last night down at the town hall meeting. State came in and tried to take the Pledge of Allegiance out. Not in a Sunday morning kind of town, where the church bells ring and time moves slow. It's hard to find a face you don't know. It's covered dish on Wednesday and football on Friday night. Old preacher Bill, he makes his rounds. Folks lift you up when you fall down. I thank the Lord I was born in a Sunday morning kind of town. That old river started rising, caught us by surprise, and word got out and people came from miles around, from their Sunday morning kind of towns, where the church bells ring and time moves slow. It's hard to find a face you don't know. It's covered dish on Wednesday and football on Friday night. Old Preacher Bill, he makes his rounds. Folks lift you up when you fall down. I thank the Lord I was born in a Sunday morning kind of town. I thank the Lord I was born in a Sunday morning kind of town.
Monsieur Daryl Singletary, une grande pensée pour cet artiste qui avait une voix vraiment extraordinaire. Si vous pouvez procurer ses albums, je peux vous garantir que c'est vraiment du plaisir, vous ne serez pas déçus. Nous partons maintenant avec Monsieur Randy Travis, artiste américain né en 1959 en Caroline du Nord, l'un des piliers du renouveau de la musique country. Il avait enregistré 20 albums, plusieurs films dans lesquels il apparaît aussi. En 2013, malheureusement, il est victime d'une cardiomyopathie, donc il a fait un AVC et il est toujours avec nous et apparemment il aurait peut-être repris la musique aux dernières nouvelles. Donc ce serait vraiment quelque chose d'intéressant parce que c'est un artiste qui est impressionnant, vendu plus de 25 millions d'albums, très nombreuses récompenses au Country Music Award, au Country Music Association. C'est vraiment une pointure dans le domaine pour cette époque. On écoute de suite donc ce grand artiste, M. Randy Travis, avec Highway Yankee.
100 cups of coffee, 500 cigarettes, 1,000 miles of highway, and I ain't forgot her yet. But I keep on moving, I keep moving down the line. There ain't nothing in my mirror, just a cloud of dust and smoke. But what do you expect when some old trucker's heart gets broke? Yeah, truckers' hearts get broke. But them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that old white line. 10 miles out of Nashville, I was doing 101. State boy pulled me over and he said, "Where's the fire, son?" He said, "Where's the fire, son?" I said, "Man, there ain't no fire, I'm just running from a flame." Go on and write your ticket, but I ain't the one to blame. That county judge tried to rob me blind, but them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that old white line. I had nothing left to lose. I wanted to hear some rock and roll, but all they played was blues. I didn't want to hear no blues. So I went to call up Elvis, and Roger Miller grabbed the phone. He said, "Drive that 18-wheeler, boy, you're the king of the road." I said I was the king of the road, and them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that old white line.
L'excellent Randy Travis. Eh bien, nous restons maintenant toujours sur les US avec monsieur Merle Haggard, figure légendaire de la country music américaine, né en Californie en 1936 et dans le même état, il y est décédé en 2016, donc c'est pas si vieux que ça. Ses débuts dans la vie n'ont pas été très faciles, beaucoup navigué dans la délinquance, on va dire, jusqu'à ce qu'il arrive à la prison de Saint-Quentin où il a assisté à un concert de Johnny Cash. Et en fin de compte, c'est là que tout s'est débloqué pour dire j'arrête les conneries et je me lance dans la country music. C'est un style qui me plaît bien, c'est le meilleur se défouler et c'était une très bonne résolution. Ceci étant, il a sorti quand même 65 albums, 38 de ces titres ont été classés numéro 1 des charts. C'est impressionnant, impressionnant. Et c'est une voix, là aussi, très spéciale, très nasillarde, et un morceau hyper connu que plein d'artistes ont repris en hommage à Merle Haggard. Eh bien, on écoute de suite Merle Haggard avec un morceau, Ramblin' Fever.
Can't stand to hear the same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. 'Cause I've got rambling fever in my blood. Caught this rambling fever long ago. I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. And if someone said I ever gave a damn, honey, the damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. There's times I'd like to bed down on a sofa, let some pretty lady rub my back, and spend the early morning drinking coffee, talking about when I'd be coming back. Yeah, but I don't let no woman tie me down. I never get too old to get around. Want to die along the highway and ride away like some old highline pole. Rest this rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. There ain't no kind of cure for my disease. That's on.
Monsieur Merlaguer, c'est tiré de son album Cowboy Motorcycle, qui est enregistré en live au Billy Bob's Texas. C'est impressionnant, je sais plus le nombre, on le voit dans l'album, le nombre de bières qui ont été vendues le temps du concert, c'est impressionnant. Eh bien, nous partons maintenant avec une voix féminine, enfin un duo même, avec Jenny Kendall, dont la fille du célèbre Royce Kendall. D'ailleurs, ils ont formé un duo tous les deux, The Kendalls, de 1969 à 1998. Donc presque 30 ans de carrière ensemble. C'est le père et la fille, c'est impressionnant. Donc elle est née en 1954 à Saint-Louis, dans le Missouri. Elle a sorti 16 albums, c'est une superbe voix. Et ce soir, on l'écoute en duo avec un très grand, monsieur Alan Jackson. Et le morceau s'intitule Timeless and True Love. Alan Jackson et Jenny Kendall.
Look out on the night sky. Tell me what you see. Those stars have been there shining through eternity. There's another light that's burning. It's been here from the start. It's this feeling for you here in my
up to the sky, so strong against the hard wind as the years go by. My love is no less tempered, born of fire and steel, and the world can never change the way I feel.
Superbe duo que Madame Jenny Kendall avec Monsieur Merlaguer. Eh bien, nous partons maintenant avec un groupe, les Confederate Railroad, groupe fondé en 1987 en Géorgie. Donc 5 membres actuels dans le groupe après plusieurs changements au sein du groupe. Ils ont enregistré 7 albums, de la country jusqu'au rock sudiste. C'est très très diversifié et des fois c'est calme et puis des fois ça bouge vraiment beaucoup plus. Donc on écoute de suite les Confederate Railroad avec Ticker Tears.
Well, the boys and me were thick as thieves. looks like glue. Yeah, we ride the range like a Dalton gang and raise hell like a pirate crew. We're one for all and all for one, compadres all the way. From your first shot of snake bite to your last dying day. We're thick as thieves, tight as a noose, close as they come out on the loose. One of us cries, we all go through it. Another lies, we all swear to it. If you mess with one of us, you've got the rest to go through. All's my posse and me. We're thick as thieves. Now when your wife's on the phone saying, get on home, we'll tell her you ain't here. When she comes around trying to track you down, we'll hide you out till the coast is clear. Yeah, we'll pick up the tab when times are bad and let you by when you're riding high. And back your hand to the very last man, set you straight when you get out of line. We're thick as thieves, tight as a noose, close as they come out on the loose. One of us cries, we all go through it. Another lies, we all swear to it. If you mess with one of us, you've got the rest to go through. All's my posse and me. We're thick as thieves. We're thick as thieves, tight as a noose, close as they come out on the loose. One of us cries, we all go through it. Another lies, we all swear to it. If you mess with one of us, you've got the rest to go through. All's my posse and me. We're thick as thieves. We're thick as thieves, tight as a noose, close as they come out on the loose. One of us cries, we all go through it. Another lies, we all swear to it. If you mess with one of us, you've got the rest to go through. All's my posse and me. We're thick as thieves. My posse and me. We're thick as thieves.
Les Confederate Railroad, eh bien, nous partons maintenant avec un autre groupe mythique, les Dixie Chicks. Un groupe composé de Natalie Maine et des deux sœurs Emily Robinson et Marty Maguire. Elles ont fondé le groupe en 1989 à Dallas. Elles ont écumé les scènes du monde entier. Leur style, country traditionnel, country pop, bluegrass, americana, folk, etc. Et en 2003, eh bien, elles ont fait une petite erreur. Enfin, surtout Nathalie Maine, la chanteuse, à l'époque de la guerre du Golfe, elle a dit sur une scène anglaise, en parlant du président des États-Unis, Monsieur George Bush à l'époque, qu'en fin de compte, quand il avait lancé les troupes en Irak, eh bien, elles avaient honte de leur président. Et comme il était gouverneur du Texas, eh bien, ça a très très mal passé. Elles ont été interdites de scène au Texas pendant plus d'un an, quoi. Mais ceci étant, elles y sont revenues et maintenant elles font des albums qui sont excellents. C'est vraiment du régal. Donc on écoute de suite les Dixie Chicks avec un morceau très connu, Long Time Gone.
Daddy sits on the front porch swinging, looking out on a vacant field. Used to be filled with burley tobacco, now he knows it everywhere. Brother found work in Indiana, sister's a nurse at the old folks' home. Mama's still cooking too much for supper and me. I've been a long time gone, been a long time gone. No, I ain't gonna roses and don't go away. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back Till you face that old church piano, sitting out on her daddy's farm. She always thought that we'd be together, Lord never meant to do her harm. Said she could hear me singing in the choir. Me, I heard another song. I caught wind and hit the road running, Lord, I've been a long time gone. Been a long time gone. Lord, I ain't had a prayer since I don't know when. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back again. Now me, I went to Nashville, trying to be the big hit. Laying out on Broadway, getting out of hard way. Living from a tip jar, sleeping in my car. Hucking my guitar, yeah, I'm gonna be a star. Now me and Jiggy singing every Sunday, watching the children in the garden grow. We listen to the radio to hear what's cooking, but the music ain't got no soul. Now they sound tired, but they don't sound haggard. They got money, but they don't have cash. They got Junior, but they don't have Hank. I think the rest is a long time gone. No, I ain't with the roots, I don't know when. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back. I said a long time gone. No, I ain't with the chords, I don't know when. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back again. Said long time, long time, long time gone. Oh, it's been a long time. A long time, long time, long time gone. Oh, it's been a long time gone. Long time, long time, long time gone. Yeah.
Les Dixie Chicks, eh bien, nous continuons avec Candace Escher, superbe voix, une des artistes qui m'a beaucoup marqué, puisqu'on l'a vu à Craponne, c'était dans les débuts, on a la Craponne, c'était dans les années 2002-2003, je pense. Donc Nat vous en parlera plus longuement, puisqu'elle reprend tous les artistes de Craponne vus sur les festivals auxquels on a participé. Donc c'est une superbe voix. Malheureusement, je dirais, elle n'a sorti que 2 albums, mais alors quelle voix et quels albums. Eh bien, on va écouter de suite Candace Escher avec Face in the Crowd.
Johnny, Melissa, and Chuck drop by to cheer me up. They're surprised to find me acting like a party's just begun. I don't let them see how losing you hurt me. A carefree smile, a casual laugh. Don't I look like I'm having fun? It's just a face in the crowd, a mask I wear when I go out. No tears in my eyes, a clever disguise. I can hide how I feel inside. My friends say I've been strong. You didn't break my heart for long. I'm not blue, I'm over you. I'm above that cloud. But that's just my face in a crowd. Tonight when I get home, I might cry alone. I might break down. It's a lonesome sound when I'm calling out for you. But in this crowded room, I can make the world assume I don't care about the face I wear. I've got everybody fooled. It's just a face in the crowd, a mask I wear when I go out. No tears in my eyes, a clever disguise. I can hide how I feel inside. My friends say I've been strong. You didn't break my heart for long. I'm not blue, I'm over you. I'm above that cloud. But that's just my face in a crowd. It's just a face in the crowd, a mask I wear when I go out. No tears in my eyes, a clever disguise. I can hide how I feel inside. My friends say I've been strong. You didn't break my heart for long. I'm not blue, I'm over you. I'm above that cloud. But that's just my face in, just my face in a crowd. Just a face in the crowd, face in the crowd.
C'était la superbe voix de Madame Candace Escher. Eh bien, nous continuons maintenant avec un jeune artiste qu'on a vu dans les premières années aussi, à Craponne. Merci à notre ami Georges de l'avoir fait venir, artiste suisse, donc dont Nathalie, pareil, vous reparlera plus longuement. Donc c'est une excellente voix et il a une excellente prestation sur scène. Il s'appelle Cole. Donc son album qui s'intitule Cole est vraiment génial. Ça s'écoute super bien. On l'écoute de suite, Cole, avec un morceau qui s'intitule Working Man.
Shift boss watches me doing the job. He don't know a lot about my work. That makes him a jerk. He wears a badge on his right sleeve and shoes. He decides who goes. So it's me who leaves.
guys work hard and they get far for their lives. Well, they paid the price. Others was rich folks and hurry their life at a real cheap price. A working man I am. As a working man I stand on my yoke and I won't crawl home. My pride I'm gonna save. I'll take it to my grave on my yoke and I won't crawl home. 'Cause a working man I am. Well, I left my home, I kissed my mom goodbye. I said don't cry, I am old enough to look for my stuff. Seems like I was wrong, so I've done. Came out drunk and I sleep on a bed of stone. But my dreams are gone. Yeah, I learned a lesson and I'm still young. Gonna get my life and make a better run. Got my father's hands, they know how to work. I changed myself and will deserve my badge. Yeah, working man I am. As a working man I stand on my yoke and I won't crawl home. My pride I'm gonna save. I'll take it to my grave on my yoke and I won't crawl home. 'Cause a working man I am. I believe if you work, you'll get what you deserve. Yeah, working man I am. As a working man I stand on my yoke and I won't crawl home. My pride I'm gonna save. I'll take it to my grave on my yoke and I won't crawl home. 'Cause a working man I am.
C'était notre artiste suisse Cole. Vous êtes toujours avec Claude dans l'émission Country Valley sur les 103 points de la radio RVL à Épouville. Pardon. Et si vous voulez nous joindre, vous pouvez le faire au 02 35 30 53 84. 02 35 30 53 84. Nous partons maintenant avec Madame Michelle Wright, donc grande figure de la musique country canadienne, née en 1961. Intronisée en 2011 au Canadian Country Music Hall of Fame, elle a sorti une bonne dizaine d'albums. Ce qu'elle fait, c'est du pur régal, de très beaux albums. On l'écoute de suite avec Everything and More.
Be something more, 'cause I've got IOUs and they've got SUVs, and I can't help wondering, is there something missing from me? That's when I stop, to my knees I drop, take a real good look at what I got. Faith that gets me through, I've got it. Dreams that could come true, got that my knees I drop, take a real good look at what I got.
Faith that gets me through, I've got it. Dreams that could come true, got that too. All the things in life worth living for. I've got everything, everything and more. Searching for what really matters only makes me realize I've got everything. Faith that gets me through, I've got it. Dreams that could come true, got that too. All the things in life worth living for. I've got everything, everything and more. Everything and
Superbe voix que celle de Madame Michelle Wright. Eh bien, nous partons maintenant avec un autre groupe, les Pirates of the Mississippi, originaires de Nashville, où ils ont été créés en 1987. Ils ont terminé leur carrière en 2007. Il y avait 6 membres dans le groupe, plusieurs récompenses, 7 albums enregistrés. Là aussi, c'est du régal. Ils nous avaient envoyé leur dernier album, je crois. Et on écoute de suite les Pirates of the Mississippi avec Is That Country or What?
Hey, Dave, got a little money. Motor's running, better hurry up, honey. I'm wound up tighter than a cotton ball in late July. Ooh-wee, don't you look sweet? Oh my, oh mercy me. I love them painted on Wranglers. You got a Tractor Supply. That's right. Yeah, we're going honky-tonk, hard rocking. I work like the devil for my angel and my Friday nights. Showing up, two-stepping to old Hank and Zeppelin. If you don't like it or my mama's fried chicken, you can kiss my butt. Is that country or what? Is that country or what? Dogs rubbernecking in the back of my truck. Don't worry, y'all, he's too smart to jump. He likes that spot between my cooler and my rod and reel. Lord, Lordy, the parking lot's packed. Party's filling out clear at the back. Between my baby and his cold one, I wish I could make time stay still. That's the deal. Yeah, we're going honky-tonk. Yeah, hard rocking. I work like the devil for my angel and my Friday nights. Showing up. Yeah, two-step to old Hank and Zeppelin. If you don't like it or my mama's fried chicken, you can kiss my butt. Is that country or what? Steel guitar, PBR, a little pinch of beach nut, lose the blues, attitude, wailing till he's cranked up. Is that country or what? Yeah, we're going honky country or what? Is that country or what? Yeah, that's country. Is that country or what?
Les Pirates of the Mississippi. Ben, nous repartons maintenant avec une voix féminine, excellente voix féminine, avec Madame Brennan Lee, présente sur la scène du festival Équipe Blues il y a quelques années en France. C'était en Ardèche, excellent festival que je vous recommande, où il y a de la country, il y a du rodéo, il y a plein de choses différentes, c'est superbe ce festival. On n'y est pas encore allé. Je pense quand même qu'on va se faire plaisir. Donc, Brennan Lee est originaire du Dakota du Nord, où elle y est née en 1984. Donc, elle a 35 ans, ou elle va avoir 35 ans. Et elle a déjà sorti 7 albums. C'est du pur régal, là aussi. On écoute Brennan Lee avec Are You Stringing Me Along?
Are you stringing me along? Will you be my darling someday? When you tell me that you love me, do you mean what you say? Or are you stringing me along? Will I ever hear your voice again? There's no way I can know. For all I have's a memory and your footprints in the snow. I could not dispute you, darling, when you told me I must go. But since then, time has gone by, painful, aching, and slow. Are you stringing me along? Will you be my darling someday? When you tell me that you love me, do you mean what you say? Or are you stringing me along? I could wait forever if you asked me to, but I'll never let you know for fear I'd really have to. Don't forget me, darling, when I'm far away from you. I long to hear your voice again. My love for you is true. Are you stringing me along?
Madame Brennan Lee. Et nous partons avec un autre groupe puisque l'heure avance. Et nous partons maintenant avec le groupe Hey Romeo, groupe canadien vu au festival de Tours il y a quelques années. Donc c'est un trio dont la chanteuse est Stacey Roper, très connue dans le monde de la country. Et le groupe débute en 2002. Ils ont sorti 3 albums déjà. Ce qu'ils font, c'est du superbe travail. On l'écoute de suite. Hey Romeo avec un morceau Hello.
Times in poetry and songs that rhyme down through history. Love, don't get me wrong, I say it too. I whisper it from me to you, but my favorite word you ever said to me is not the one you think it is. We say each time we kiss. I heard it that first moment when we met. That first moment when you innocently looked my way, caught my eye, my lucky day. My life was changed forever when you said hello. On the phone, or as you're walking through the door, it always takes me there, back there, to when I first looked into your eyes. It echoes in my heart and mind, the perfect little word that got us here is not the one you think it is. The one we say each time we kiss. I heard it that first moment when we met. That first moment when you innocently looked my way, caught my eye, my lucky day. My life was changed forever when you said hello. Changed forever when you said hello.
C'est donc le groupe Hey Romeo avec Stacey Roper et nous allons terminer avec Red Meat, un excellent groupe américain, lui aussi vu à Craponne, 5 albums enregistrés, tous excellents, un style très cosmopolite. Eh bien on écoute de suite les Red Meat avec King of Queen City.
King City, Queen of King City.
Santa Lucia Hills, where everybody works like hell just trying to pay their bills. My get paid for being pretty. So I took my crown and I headed down. I was queen of King City. King City couldn't hold a restless girl like me. I was bound and determined to be crazy, wild and free. But LA wouldn't have me unless I made a big old change. Take my hair, face, and body and have them all rearranged. But I'm just as God made me, and I won't change an itty bitty. So I told them no, instead I'd go and be myself in King City. LA's got a solid concrete heart. The only way a girl can win there is to tear herself apart.
Eh bien, chers auditeurs, notre émission touche à sa fin, donc je vous souhaite à tous une excellente soirée. On va terminer avec les Red Meat. Je vous souhaite à tous une bonne soirée, un excellent week-end. À la semaine prochaine et keep it country!
As